Hi dear friends, and the coming few videos for the coming next 7 days, I would be sharing some innovative and creative tips for all those who are in the field of education, the educationists, like trainers, teachers, whoever do classroom trainings and online trainings. So here is what today I'm going to share 3 tips for how to begin the sessions, the trainings creatively. So the very first thing that we do in an introduction is an introduction in the training. So these are the 3 innovative and creative ways that we can begin our introduction. The first is by using a dice. So a dice has 6 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and corresponding to these 6 numbers we can have 6 different questions. The questions can be funny, personal questions, or it could be related to your topic. So whatever number comes when a particular trainee throws a dice, he has to answer that question. This is how you can make them introduce themselves. The second way of introduction is you can ask the trainees to answer the question, if they were a TV program, what would they name themselves? Or if they were a movie, what would be the name of the movie? So this is how they can introduce themselves creatively. And the third way of introducing themselves is they could answer the question, this week I'm excited because. So this would help them introduce themselves on a positive note. So these, dear friends, are 3 ways in which you can make your trainees introduce themselves. Thank you, and look forward for much more rich and creative, innovative content that is coming ahead for you.